to any effective technology is to eliminate user problem areas while also making procedures easier and more efficient. Our company, Alif Hospitality Services, has received complaints from our guests regarding the crowded lobby and long waiting times to check in and out for their rooms. Moreover, standard access control has been incredibly complicated to accomplish, needing multiple steps to complete. Hundreds of detailed user profiles are created. Credentials, physical keys, key cards are matched to users, and those credentials are delivered to the user. After receiving and analyzing different possible proposals, our team of specialists has determined that the usage of smart door locks is most likely to be the best among them, and that they would help in resolving the issue that we are facing. Generally, the smart locks are keyless door locks that allow you to open your door without a physical key. They can be controlled remotely using a smartphone app. I will begin with an overview of what smart door locks are, as well as a background on this product and its history, before digging deeper into our company's needs and goals. Next, comparing 3 different types of smart locks, and finally, depending on the data and analysis gathered, and provide a recommendation of the best product that suits our company's needs. The hotel business was the first to implement smart door locks in the country. This type of hotel lock is opened using a card or other radio frequency schemes. During this time, the smart door lock evolved from a single door lock to an omnidirectional smart lock, with the addition of SIM card communication. Although the door lock cannot be connected right now, it can send a text message to the user's phone and has some remote security features. Since 2015, we have seen an increase in the number of intelligent door locks with networking capabilities. The development of smart door locks has once again appeared, thanks to the Internet of Things and fingerprint biolocking technology. Guests may now set the smart door lock using your mobile phone app, and the smart door locks can be linked to other smart items in the room. Let's move on to our company's needs. The use of the smart door locks will improve the guest experience, increase guest security, market advantages, and remove the need for front desk staff, long waiting times, and crowded lobbies. Moving on, now we will be talking about the evaluation matrix. As you can see, this table compares all the 3 models along different evaluation criteria, and it includes the so-called raw scores from poor to outstanding, weighted scores from not important to very important, and the legend. All of them are based on the organizational needs. According to the evaluation matrix, we can see that the reliability, security, and compatibility is the most important features. And after calculating the weighted total for each criteria, we can see that the Salto XS4 Smart Lock has received the highest score of all the 3 models, with a score of 73. The first smart door lock model is the Salto XS4. It can replace your existing door hardware and fits any door with unlimited model options because it is universally compatible. Also, it offers live access records that show when guests come and unlock the door to their room for the first time after checking in through the app or the website. And this results to a safe and secure model. And it has a mechanical privacy option. Furthermore, it is easy to use. The second model is the ENGL102-15 Smart Door Lock. It is suitable for common doors with face bore holes of 2 1/8 inch and 1 3/4 inch to 2 1/4 inch thick. They may be installed with simply a screwdriver and it is secure. Also, it sends notification when your battery is running low, so you can proactively replace them, but it is quite expensive. The third and final model is Roll-Lock Smart Door Lock. It can be installed in place of an existing lock. It does require different fittings, so it is not compatible. Also, it is safe and secure, but not reliable. After evaluating all of the comparisons criteria and reviewing the data, I have come to the conclusion that the Salto XS4 is the best smart door lock out of the three that were considered. Although this type might not be perfect, its outstanding compatibility together with the easiness of usage makes it the most suitable choice.